of Doom. We just heard news that... Oh, you don't need to kill me. It's not that news. It's... You are lying. You are lying. No, I'm serious. You see that cape right there? That is from the blue chicken. The blue chicken. I swear. Don't get angry with me. No.
Ooh, that was good.
I'm so sorry. I swear, I won't do anything like that again. Is he gonna go karate style on you? But I will search for him. Blah, blah, blah. Blah. I will fly. But I cannot. Vicky? I'm sorry for being a competent new person. You decided to have a popsicle during your visit. I'm so sorry.
Aww. Holy crap, why is he getting new ones now?
The black chicken of doom shall now go search for the blue chicken of justice in disguise.
Hold me while I finish my work. Shut up.